What's up guys, it's Slaughter from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to make the purchase process on your WordPress WooCommerce store faster, how to enable guest checkout, and other good to enable features that WooCommerce keep deactivate by default. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard on the browser address bar, enter with domain name plus wp-admin, so you can go to the dashboard, okay? To sell more, you guys must make the purchasing process faster. So, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over WooCommerce, hit the submenu settings, once on settings, review these bars and go to account and privacy. The very first option is enable guest checkout. This is the most important one, but there is other options that you need to have. Enable login during checkout. You can allow customers to create an account if you want, okay? It's up to the customer, but you have the option to use guest checkout. For example, if you are selling a digital download or probably a cheap product that's gonna be purchased only once, this is a very good option right here. You can send the password link by email in the case that you want, or not, up to you. After enabling all the options you need, in my opinion, this is the three most important one. You can let customers create account or their account page as well, okay? Click on Save Changes, clear up the site cache in the case that you have it, and you're gonna be able to see from some time more sales using the guest checkout option. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!